If you're overwhelmed by endless credit card recommendations and tired of hearing the same affiliate driven advice, you are not alone. Most people are using the wrong cards, chasing perks they will never use, and leaving hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on the table every year. Today, I'm cutting through the noise and showing you only three cards you actually need in 2026. And one of them is so simple you will never have to think about the categories or points again. Here's what's wild: most credit card advice is designed to make someone else's money, not you. But if you focus on these three cards, you will maximize your rewards, simplify your finances, and never stress about missing out on value again. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'm Alain and I'm the founder of SRE Group, and I help business owners and entrepreneurs get up to $100,000 in business funding at 0% APR for 12 months. And the best part is you don't pay a dime until you get funded. And we're only working with few people each month because we provide personalized strategies for each situation. So if you're interested, book a free strategy call by clicking the first link in the description right now. But today, I want to save you from the endless credit card rabbit hole. I'm going to break down the three best credit cards you should be using in 2026. No fluff, no affiliate bias, just real value. I'll show you which cards to use for every purchase, how to keep your rewards simple, and how to avoid the traps that keep most people stuck with mediocre cards and waste annual fees. Stick around because what I reveal about the three cards will change how you think about the premium credit cards forever, and I will show you exactly how to use these cards for maximum value with minimum effort. Let's be real. Most credit card advice you see online is designed to get you sign up for credit cards that pay the highest commissions, not the cards that are actually best for you. You will see endless list of best cards with 15 different options, complicated categories, bonuses, and perks you will never use. The truth is, you don't need a spreadsheet to manage your credit cards. You need a simple system that works for your real life. The three cards I'm about to share cover every major spending category, give you best rewards, and keep your finances simple. No more chasing rotationary categories, no more worrying about which cards to use for groceries or gas, and no more paying for perks you will never use. Before I review the cards, let's bust a few myths that are costing people real money. Myth number one: you need to maximize every single perk. The reality: most people never use half of the perks on their premium cards. If you're spending hours tracking every benefit, you're wasting time you could be using to make more money elsewhere. Myth number two: travel hacking is worth your time. If you love optimizing every detail and enjoy the game, go for it. But most people, the time spent chasing the perfect redemption is better spent building your business, career, or enjoying life. Myth number three: you need a premium card for travel. The best perk isn't lunch access or hotel credits. It's having enough money to book what you want whenever you want. If you don't spend enough to justify a premium card, skip it and use a simple cashback card instead. Card number one is the Fidelity 2% cashback card. This is the ultimate no nonsense card for anyone who wants to keep things simple and maximize rewards on every purchase. You get 2% cashback on everything, no categories, no rotationary bonuses, no hoops to jump through. Every dollar you spend earns 2 cents back, automatically deposited in your Fidelity account where you can invest it and let it grow. There's no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, and no complicated rules. If you want a card, you can use it for every purchase and never think about it. This is the one. The pro move here is to set your cashback to automatically invest in an index fund or your retirement account. Over time, your everyday spending will help you build a real wealth, not just pay for a few flights or hotel nights. If you don't want to track categories or worry about maximizing points, the Fidelity 2% card is the only card you need to daily spending. Card number two is the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and this is the best travel card for people who want premium benefits and real flexibility. You get 3 times points on dining and travel worldwide, and up to 10 times points when you book through the Chase travel portal. The points you earn are the Chase Ultimate Rewards, which are some of the most valuable in the industry because you can transfer them to top airline or hunter partners. The annual fee is high, now $600, but you get a $300 annual travel credit that's incredible easy to use. It applies automatically to almost any travel purchases like flights, hotels, Airbnbs, car rentals, parking, and even public transit. That brings your effective annual fee down to 35. You also get priority pass lunch access, trip delay and cancellation insurance, primary rental car coverage, and a host of other travel perks that actually save you money and hashless. The real value is that the points you earn can be redeemed for travel at 1.5 cents each through the Chase portal or transferred to partners for even more value. I've booked business class flights worth thousands of dollars for just a fraction of the points. If you travel at least few times a year and you want a card that covers all your travel needs, the Sapphire Reserve is the best in the game. Card number three is the American Express Platinum card, but not for the reason most people think. The Platinum card has a $895 annual fee, which is an eye-watering. Here's the truth: the Platinum card is not about maximizing your points on everyday spending. It's about luxury travel perks and exclusive experiences. The real value comes from the fine hotels and resorts bookings, where you get free breakfast, a $100 property credit, room upgrades, and late checkout at luxury hotels. If you book just one or two luxury hotel stays a year, these benefits alone can cover most of the annual fee. You also get access to Centurion lunches, Priority Pass, Delta Sky Club when flying Delta, and a suite of travel credits. $600 in hotel credits, $200 in airline fees, $200 in Uber credits, $300 in digital entertainment, and more. But you have to be organized and actually use these credits. Amex is counting on the breakage. The pro move is to use the Platinum card for all your luxury travel bookings and premium experiences, but not use it for everyday spending. Pair it with a Fidelity 2% card for daily purchases and the Sapphire Reserve for flexible travel rewards. If you're not going to use it for hotel perks, lunch access, and credits, skip the Platinum. But if you travel in style and want the best experiences, this card is the game changer. Here's how I will use the three cards together for maximum value. I use the Fidelity 2% card for all my everyday spending, groceries, gas, bills, and anything that doesn't earn a bonus elsewhere. For all the travel and dining purchases, and for booking flights and hotels through the Chase portal or with the transfer partners, I'll use the Chase Sapphire Reserve. And for luxury hotel bookings, airport lounge access, and to unlock all the premium travel credits and perks, I use the American Express Platinum card. This three-card setup covers every major spending category, maximizes your rewards, and keeps your finances simple. No more spreadsheets, no more stress, just real value. Now let's recap. Most people are wasting money on their wrong credit cards, chasing perks they will never use, and making banks richer in the process. If you want to win the credit card game in 2026, focus on these three credit cards: the Fidelity 2% cashback card for simplicity and investing your rewards, the Chase Sapphire Reserve for premium travel rewards and flexibility, and the Amex Platinum for luxury travel perks and exclusive experiences. Don't get distracted by endless lists and complicated strategies. Keep it simple, use the right cards for the right purchases, and let your reward work for you. And remember, the best perks isn't a free lunch access or a hotel upgrade, it's having the financial freedom to book what you want whenever you want, because you made the smart choices with your credit. Now, if you're looking for funding, I'm the founder of SA Group and I help business owners and entrepreneurs with 700 plus credit score get up to $100,000 in business funding at 0% APR for 12 months. And the best part is, you don't pay a dime until you get funded. And we are only working with few people each month because we provide personalized strategies for each situation. So if you're interested, click the first link in the description to book your free strategy call right now. And if you found this content helpful, subscribe for more credit content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.